Welcome to my channel Mr. Typical. So today I again discuss as a data analyst, how to become as a data analyst. Like that data analyst as a we are growing business as a any companies, and most four language are required like that Python, SQL, Power BI and Excel. एक फोर ही लैंग्वेज है जो डेटा एनालिस्ट था है और रहेगा. And if you want to make a IT fields, that's a many good, there is a very good opportunity. That's a 4 month as a durations, and you can easily start as a career as a data analyst and as a data scientist. And one more another language as a data scientist, AML and machine learning. And that's are not a but entry level position as a data analyst. And if you also increase as a company doing job, then also increase your salary and increase your promotion also, data engineer and data and scientist. Okay, thank you. I will meet again next